Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Malunggay balls. Combine finely chopped Malunggay with ground pork, minced garlic, and sautéed onion in a bowl. Add 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, salt, and pepper, then mix gently until just combined. Chill the mixture for 10 minutes to firm up, which helps with shaping. Prepare a plate with oil for frying and preheat a pan to medium heat. After chilling the mixture, portion it into even scoops using a spoon or small scoop to ensure consistent size. Roll each portion gently between your palms to create compact, smooth Malunggay balls that hold together while cooking. Set up a breading station with flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs, then dredge each ball in flour, dip in egg, and coat with breadcrumbs. Place prepared balls on a tray ready for frying. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes you love. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing Malunggay balls stress-free, and they close tightly for transport without spills. They stack neatly in your fridge and are perfect for portioning lunches or snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a skillet to medium and fry Malunggay balls in batches for evenly browned, crisp exteriors, turning gently to cook through. For a lighter alternative, bake at 375 degrees F on a lined sheet for 18 to 22 minutes until golden, which reduces oil absorption. If you have an air fryer, place balls in a single layer at 350 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway for even crispiness and a healthier finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.